Despite domestic violence cases in the state having increased over the last 5 years and especially over the lockdown period, the National Crime Records Bureau has released data which shows zero cases of domestic violence in the state over the last 5 years. Goa Network of Gender Justice, expressing the disgust and shock at the data, has questioned its validity. It says it will file an RTI to investigate the issue. The NGO questions the erroneous data, asking whether it was a matter of conscious suppression of data for image building of the state or a deliberate prevention of women from accessing relief under the Domestic Violence Act. The group says that the issue appears to be endemic, as 10 years ago similar data claimed there were zero cases of violence against women in the state. Such data dampens the development of law and order infrastructure for women while also discouraging women from reporting crimes.
Members belonging to the network are shocked to see the latest NCRB data released by the government, which says that there are zero domestic violence cases for the last 5 years, that is from 2015 to 2019, under the Domestic Violence Prevention Act 2005 for Goa. And this is absolutely shocking because organizations know, who are working at grassroots level, that thousands of cases have been registered in these 5 years, but somehow this data is not reflected in the Crime Record Bureau, which is supposed to be the official record of the police. So when you say that there are no domestic violence cases, that means the government does nothing for this. I just want to point out that earlier they used to say that there are no crimes against women in Goa, and hence we didn't have a police station for women. Today we have got this police station for women is because after 10 years of pursuing the matter, once we brought data on record saying that so many cases are taking place, then only the police station was set up.
The GNOJ has made several demands to the government upon the matter, including immediate creation of budgetary allocation for infrastructure and proper training of protection officers and rectifying issues with free legal aid. There is a delay of years in receiving justice for such cases, when ideally they require immediate resolution, the group said. Listen.
Canossa Samajik Vikas Kendra, which is based at Arpora, we have every week cases on domestic violence, also from the locality, and when we visit to the communities also, many cases are forwarded to us on domestic violence. And One Stop Crisis Center, both North and South Goa, has reported thousands of cases in this period, during the period of COVID. The National Commission for Women has also gone on record the increased number of cases on domestic violence during the lockdown. So I think it is very important, and it is high time for us to give a greater attention on these cases. We request Amla to read out the demands.
Independent protection officers be appointed, provided with requisite infrastructure and personnel and adequate budget to function. In the interim, a meeting of protection officers, state legal authorities, Department of Women and Child and organizations working on this issue. A meeting with service providers under the Act, State Commission for Women, State Commission for Protection of Child Rights, One Stop Crisis Center, Victim Assistance Unit and organizations involved in providing services like social legal counseling, shelter, helping in providing education, skills, etc.
Many of the cases are filed by women directly in the court. So those statistics also are important to be collated, because that will also give a reality of the situation of whether there are domestic violence or not. One doesn't always have to go through the protection officer. If the protection officers are not trained, if the protection officers are not sensitive, if the protection officers are not equipped with various kinds of backup and infrastructure, that act will be a failure. Because the strength of a domestic violence act which finally comes to the court is something called a DIR, or a domestic incident report, which are basically forms which have to be filled up in quite some detail. Now, if that form is not filled up properly, then of course the woman cannot get all the relief that she has claimed for.
Sham Chari for Goa 365 from Panjim.